Hello friends, welcome to Amazing Background. This is Camelia and as usual I'm going to show you the beautiful area of Istanbul. Let's watch! Hello friends, welcome to Amazing Background. This is Camelia and as usual I'm gonna show you the beautiful area of Istanbul. First of all, I want to thank you for choosing my videos and it's my pleasure to support me by subscribing and setting the bell to get the notifications. Today I'm in Istiklal Street. The cobblestone street which started from Taksim Square to near Galata Tower. Istiklal Street is one of the most famous streets in Istanbul, visited by nearly 3 million people in a single day over a course of weekends. It's 1.4 kilometers long, which houses boutiques, music stores, art galleries. Also, here is some famous cinemas and theaters and libraries, and good nightclubs with live music. Big pedestrian street for expensive shopping and tourist stuff, a flat roof in a hilly neighborhood. It can get very overcrowded and stuffy at certain times of days and weeks. On a calm day and time, it can be nice to stroll along. Although it's the beating heart of the city, the 3 million people that pass it every day make it rather challenging to traverse. It can be said that this street is the main shopping area for tourists. It's the best place for walk, because you don't feel bored when you're walking. I always enjoy walking this street and hope you enjoy this walking tour too. It's my pleasure to support me by subscribing and setting the bell to get the notifications. Thanks for watching.